it's your girl Cynthia here today. This next video is gonna be a little bit different for me. I never do blue eyeshadow, but I got inspired by a friend of mine. She is just so great at doing makeup and I got really inspired, so I wanted to recreate her look. I'll put a picture of her right now and what I tried to do. Obviously hers is a lot better than mine. This is how it came out and I'm really actually pleased with it. I think it looks really good for a trying to recreate something kind of video. I'm gonna link Haley's makeup Instagram in the description box down below, so please go and check that out. Go follow her. She's honestly an amazing makeup artist and she's amazing in general. Anyways, let's just get into this video. Please, I'm gonna say this at the end of the video as well, but I'm saying it before the video. Like, subscribe, share this video, guys, because that would help a lot. So I finished my eyebrows and my eyeshadow primer and my moisturizer, and I just feel like you guys have seen that thousands and thousands of times, so I'm just gonna skip ahead and do my eyeshadow next. Okay, so this is gonna be inspired by her, but it's not gonna be exactly like hers because she's so good. So I'm going to take my Morphe R10 brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I'm going to go with that shade which is called Orb. It's just a brown. And I'm just going to swirl that all around my crease just as a transition shade. Always want to go in with a transition shade because otherwise all the other eyeshadows that you apply on your eyes are not going to blend well and they're just going to look crazy. So next I'm going to take my Glamour Dolls blending brush. It's just a very tapered brush. I'm going to go in with this shade right here and I'm just going to add that to just create a little bit more of a transition. So next I'm going to want to pack on that bright blue, dark blue color on my lid, but I want it to be as intense as I can, so I'm just going to take some concealer with my Morphe 432 brush and just pack on the concealer so that color comes out a lot brighter. So for the concealer I'm just taking my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, putting some on the brush and just putting some on my lid here. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe 167 brush, and this is just gonna pack on that color. And then for my blue shade, I'm going in with Velour by Kat Von D in her Metal and Matte palette. Pack that bad boy on. Ooh. Thank you. Thank you. She's so awesome. I love my mom. I'm taking my Luxie 249 brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that blue on this blending brush and just dragging it up. This is probably not how she did it. So sorry, Haley, for butchering your look. Okay, so I finished off my foundation and my concealer and powder, so I'm just gonna finish off the eye look. I'm gonna go in with the same colors I went on top, and I'm gonna go in with Orb, and I'm just gonna apply that to the bottom of my lash line. I love the bottom of her lash line. That's like my favorite part because I love oranges. Dragging it all the way, so that's a very, very orange shade. Just gonna put that all over the place. Oh, my nose is itchy, you guys. And then I'm gonna go in with the deepest orange right here, which is Saturn in my Prism palette. And then that I'm just gonna focus it right close to the lash line because I really want this bottom part to look very orange. She went in with an iridescent blue color, so I'm gonna go in with Ignite, which is this highlighty blue right here. And I'm just gonna put that in my inner corner, and I'm just gonna really focus that right in my inner corner. I may have put a little too much, but it's okay. Like that. And just to give it a little bit more of a highlighty feel, I'm going in with my Prism palette and I'm taking Lucid, which is this white shade right here. It's kind of got some gold specks to it, so I'm just gonna add that right in the corner as well. So that's how it should look. So now I'm gonna add my eyeliner. I like to go in with my Sephora Collection eyeliner. This part is so difficult. So there is my eyeliner done. I hate doing my eyeliner on camera because I know how much I mess up and I know how hard it is, and I just don't want to mess up on camera and have to edit all of that, because I want you guys to see what it is to do your makeup in a real life, because it's not perfect. It's not perfect at all. So I've applied the eyelashes now. Oh, I just burped. So there's the eye look, Bellissimas. I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup. I'll do it on camera. I'm going to take my crown brush. I believe it's a contouring brush. I'm going to take my crown brush. I believe it's a contouring brush. And I'm going to take Rosewood in my Anastasia bronzer. I love these bronzers, guys. These are so nice. And then I'm just going to bronze up. This one I use for highlighting. It's a pretty good brush. I'm going to take my Becca highlighter in the shade Champagne Dream with Lashes of Bellini. This one I believe was one of her limited edition ones. So I'm just going to apply that right on here. The last thing I'm going to do is apply lipstick, and I'm going in with the shade Bow and Arrow by Kat Von D. Oh yeah, I love it. So Bellissimas, this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like, subscribe, and share this video up, because that would help a lot. And I also want to thank Haley for creating this look. It's gorgeous and I enjoyed filming it, and it's something different from what I normally do, so that is actually really good because I need to start doing things that I normally don't ever do. Thank you so much for everyone for watching. Like I said before, please like, subscribe, and share this video up. That would help so much. Bye Bellissimas, till next time.